Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited in ceramic gray. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, the S Appearance Package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, hands-free sliding door, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, SEATBACK video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7307.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.